Are you listening? Damn.
Garlic is an incredible vegetable that has been a staple in countless cuisines worldwide for its strong, aromatic flavor. Not only is it incredibly versatile and easy to cook with, but it also offers a wealth of health benefits that make it a true superfood. When it comes to promoting wellness, garlic is second only to turmeric in terms of efficacy. It has been shown to prevent a variety of major health conditions such as heart disease, cancer, and strokes. If you're looking to boost your immune function or lower your blood pressure, simply consuming a clove of garlic a day for 7 days can make a significant difference. Here's what happens to your body when you consume garlic for 7 days in a row. Combat cardiovascular and metabolic diseases. Consuming garlic can reverse early-stage heart disease by preventing the formation of new plaque and reducing soft plaques, making it easier for the body to break down plaque buildup. By consuming garlic, you'll be reducing or slowing down the progression of heart disease or reversing its early stages. Lower your risk for cancer. Studies have shown that garlic extract can increase cancer cell death and is highly protective against cancer-causing substances due to its antibacterial properties. Garlic also helps repair DNA, induces cell death, and reduces cell proliferation, which is what cancer is known for. Metastasis. Lower your blood pressure. When consumed daily at about 900 milligrams, garlic is highly effective against high blood pressure. It works by promoting the opening and widening of your blood vessels. Treat and stave off the common cold. Garlic's chemical compounds, allicin, are responsible for killing off the microorganisms that cause infections and colds. When consuming garlic, you increase your chances of recovering from a cold faster and reduce your chances of getting a cold in the first place. Regulate your blood sugar levels. When you eat garlic, not only do your blood cholesterol levels improve, but it can also reduce your total levels of bad LDL cholesterol and moderately raise your HDL good cholesterol levels. It is also known to help those with diabetes as it can regulate blood sugar levels, increase blood circulation, and fight off infections. The only thing to keep in mind when consuming garlic is that it can have a negative impact on those taking certain medications or have specific health conditions. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional if you're taking blood-thinning medications, birth control pills, oral medication for HIV/AIDS, or nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. If you have low blood pressure, gastrointestinal issues, or ulcers, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional first before consuming garlic. In summary, garlic is not just a flavorful addition to your meals, but it also offers numerous health benefits. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you can combat cardiovascular and metabolic diseases, lower your risk for cancer, regulate your blood sugar levels, and treat the common cold. So, why not add a clove of garlic to your daily routine? Your body will thank you.